There are so many incredible images of space floating around out there. But is this what space really looks like? Well, kind of. Let's start with these big, sweeping images of nebulas and star-forming regions. There's another type of space image, the artist's rendering. These are some of the most exciting images and also the ones that demand the most guesswork. Let's take Hubble as an example. Light information hits the digital camera sensor as a grayscale image. Yep, those amazing Hubble images have no color. Then astronomers add color data and adjust for known wavelengths, adding corresponding colors and patching different shots together to give a complete picture.
Space is absolutely black.
This doesn't mean they're not real. It's sort of like changing the key of a song. It sounds different, but still the same. Let's take this image of TRAPPIST-1F as an example. So how do we know what the surface looks like? Well, we don't, because the actual data itself is a hot mess. But artists consulted with scientists to make this image. Et voila, an artist's rendering of TRAPPIST-1F. Looks nice.
Hubble is a fantastic telescope, but it cannot observe everything. So it collects a lot of data in the form of spectrum, for example, something which is not exactly a real image, and that's why we need to step in and create these catching illustrations and animations. And of course, many other objects in the universe, we can observe them. We know that they're there through a lot of mathematics and physics and all kinds of interesting conclusions that the astronomers can come up with from the data, but not exactly through amazing images. So that's precisely how we step in, or why we step in, and we need to create some catching, interesting images to precisely capture the imagination and the interest of the public. Frequently we have some very well-defined boundaries and conditions that we need to meet. If the star has a certain temperature that we know about, so the star has to be a certain color. Other than that, we can be a bit, have some creativity, but always within the physical realism, of course. We cannot go out of that.
So space sort of looks like both of these images, but it also doesn't. It takes processing and adding color data to get this kind of rich detail. This doesn't mean they're not real. It's different, but still the same. So even if these images aren't exactly what we'd see if we were to visit the Pillars of Creation, which are gone now, by the way, or TRAPPIST-1F, these images not only give us vital information, they kind of remind us how exciting it is to find new things in space.
Over the years, NASA has given us spectacular photos and renderings that reveal a colorful and mysterious universe.
Space is absolutely black.
What I'm trying to do is show people sort of the broader colors that the universe has to offer.
Space is not blue. It's not navy blue. It's not dark blue. It's absolutely black.
So what's your favorite fake space image that you wish was real? Let us know down below in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.